So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to invest in high dividend stocks here on the Moomoo application. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left in between accounts and watch list, press on markets. Once you're here, I actually want you to press on either US or Canada, but for this demonstration, I will press on US right here. Now, once you're here, I want you just to scroll down to where it says dividend rankings and where make sure that high dividend is selected. So if you have, continue with growth selected, press on high dividend right here, and then press on the arrow to get more. Now, once you're here, you can actually view the high dividend stocks that are being shown through Moomoo. So you can go ahead and scroll here. So for example, if you want to sort by the dividend yield TTM, you have these options right here. So there's 26.08%. If you scroll down, there's 11.03. The ticker symbols are on the left. You can go ahead and explore the companies this way. So for this example, if you wanted to select what's a popular one here, Ford Motor Company, for example, they have a dividend of 8.03 at the time of this recording. We'll go ahead and press on that. Or you can't actually go ahead and press on that, my apologies, but you can take the symbol right here. So if you wanted to do Ford, we'll just go to the top right and we'll press on F for Ford Motor. Then we'll go to the bottom left, press on trade, and then press on buy. Follow the steps this way, and you can go ahead and actually invest in high dividend stocks that you come up with or that you can find through Moomoo. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to invest in how to invest in high dividend stocks on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.